Rubberneck and go. Gosh, there's nothing to look at. Go. It's a Camaro who spun out in the rain. Imagine that. You stop. You're in Big Cabin, Oklahoma. We'll do a 30-minute break here and go in and get some coffee. Grab something to eat out of the fridge. Good to go. Haven't been here in a minute. It is March 11th, 2020. And of course, the big news right now is the coronavirus, COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. And it's such a big concern right now that it's starting to affect the economy. And last couple of days, man, it's been hard to watch the news and YouTube and Facebook and all that because it seems to be on everybody's mind. But we have a load picking up in Joplin, Missouri, which I was going to do this section of the vlog from there, but I literally checked in, bumped the dock, and was loaded in 10 minutes. And to the point that I hadn't written anything down, and I mean it was such a quick, awesome process, and I was 3 hours early too. But it's a light load of 4,000 pounds going to Dallas, Texas. Now the kicker is it doesn't deliver till 7 o'clock tomorrow night, and here it is 1 o'clock, and I'm literally 5 hours away from the customer, or 6 if you count Dallas traffic. But I picked this load, got a really good rate for it, and then it made it easy for me to book something on Friday. Now Friday's load, I'm not looking forward to that one. But this will deliver tomorrow, which is Thursday at 7 p.m. I'll probably go in there a little bit early. I can spend the night with the customer, which is nice because Dallas is kind of hard to park at. And then, then we'll pick up our next load on Friday, deliver it one day. So if you look at the daily rate, it's still pretty good. The weather is awesome. It's in the 70s. Actually used my AC on the APU for the first time last night there in Arkansas, and but we're going to do our 30-minute break here in Big Cabin, and then grab something to eat from the back, and then get some coffee, refill this, and then head on out. I'll probably get to the Choctaw Casino truck stop thing-majigger and shut it down there, and then sleep in tomorrow. So let's go. good. Traffic, not too bad. You know, and the last time I talked to you, I told you that changes were coming because of this whole pandemic thing. And since I last talked to you, the NBA has delayed their season. Trump has closed travel in and out of Europe. The Missouri Conservation Department was supposed to have an archery contest. Now it's going to be virtual. Numerous games and campuses have been canceled, and there's a rumor that the KISS tour was canceled, and the Mid-America Truck Show was canceled. That is true. The KISS thing I haven't seen yet, but yeah, man, we're in for some weird times. So, you know, my suggestion is to have some water and food on hand in the truck, and you know, reduce the amount of contact you have. Check out where I'm at. They're staging me here in the street, and if I was at Schneider or Landstar, this would be an illegal move, but there were deliveries that we had to do at Schneider and Landstar that were like this, that we just, you know, don't ask, don't tell kind of thing, because you can't help it. There was one customer where I kind of gave him a hard time about Schneider's rules, and it cost me about 10 miles because they wouldn't let me in the parking lot because I couldn't sit out in the street. Man, that's loud. Let's pause. You know, I had an APU like that once. Anyways, so I'm glad we don't have any rules like that here. Just common sense, you know. I understand the sitting duck rule on the interstate, but when you have to make a delivery like this, what are you supposed to do? But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the song. It is by a band called Anacrusis. It's called Sound the Alarm. I thought it was fitting for the times that we are now in. So with that being said, if you like this video, click the thumbs up. There it goes. It turned it off. And, you know, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you like these kind of videos, leave a comment below of what you think of this whole new normal, I guess. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Keep the metal to the pedal. Yeah.